Hey everybody, Mr. Welding Tiggin Tricks here again. Sorry, that's just funny. You guys don't understand why I'm saying that, but I'll let you know later on. So I wanted to do this video real fast. We're going to time it. How fast can I cut through a piece of, what, 3-inch I think it is? Yeah, 3-inch channel. How fast can I cut through this piece of 3-inch channel? This 3-inch piece of channel right here with my new saw blade. Let's time it. Sorry about the mess in the background, y'all. Well, I guess y'all can't see too much. But I have a big mess back here I'm trying to clean up. That's why I'm building that shed out there. Anyways, so let's just time this. Okay, I'm going to cut another piece just about that same length right here. There you go. It's cool. Saw blade's cool to the touch. And I got this new blade, saw blade right here. This Admiral. I think it's called Admiral 7¼ inch metal cutting saw blade. Believe it or not, I got it at Harbor Freight. Go pick yourself up one. I tell you what, it's so much faster than using a metal saw, like a not a circular saw, like a table saw, but not the table saw. What am I thinking here? Oh, give me a second to think about this, y'all. An electrician saw for cutting conduit. A bandsaw, portable bandsaw. That's what I'm trying to think of. That's the name, portable bandsaw. It's not a bandsaw. So, and I think I paid like $10 for it, $10 or something for it, and that's pretty good price considering how many cuts I can make and how cold to the touch the blade was after I got done cutting it, and how cold to the touch the piece of metal was. So anyways, go get yourself one if you have a lot of metal projects you need to get done fast in a hurry, and in a safe way, of course. Because sometimes you hurry too fast and you make mistakes. But if you want to be able to cut the metal fast enough, then you can probably pick yourself up one of them blades and go to town. Anyways, thanks for watching. Let me know what kind of videos I can do next, and I'll see what I can do. Y'all have a good one.